ice cream with the purest ingredients.
I mean, I think pure would be in like actual vanilla bean, and then like actual like cocoa beans, whatever the stuff is inside the
Vanilla extract
Oreos.
is close enough.
It's like the 3rd of January. You need what cup is like 1 cup of milk? I have to clean up spilt milk because that's a rule in our house. So it's a 3/4 cup. I'll just listen. I'm 9 years old. I don't know how to measure.
You watch for the 3/4 line and then stop.
Stop.
Is that right?
Yep. Look for yourself. 1 tablespoon of peppermint extract.
Done.
So you put that on. Oh.
Nope. It's all right, honey. Where's the directions?
We're gonna be making cookies and cream ice cream. I'm following this recipe online, and we already got 3/4 cup sugar in there. So now we got 1 cup whole milk, 2 cups heavy cream, a tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon salt. No. So we're gonna add this first. Let's spin it. Oh hey, it's Tony. What's up? All right, I'll get on eventually. Cookies and cream ice cream.
Is that good?
I'm gonna add these Oreos, the smashed Oreos. I'm gonna.
Seems like a lot of cookie. But can you really have too much?
Yeah.
Let me see inside.
Oh yeah. Now we're making some cookies and cream.
Well, there's a clump stuck there. Should I get it off?
Nope, it'll be alright.
So that's the idea of using the ice cream maker with the frozen bowl, is it freezes it right away.
Yoink. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's real good.
Oh my gosh. That is excellent. Tell me what you think.
Wow, it's really good. Good job.
Oh, thank you. It's like soft serve instead of actual ice cream now.
Well, that's homemade ice cream with the purest ingredients.
I mean, I think pure would be in like actual vanilla bean, and then like actual like cocoa beans, whatever the stuff is inside the
Vanilla extract
Oreos.
is close enough.
Whatever.
There's milk, heavy cream, vanilla extract, and sugar. That's it, right, Carson?
Salt.
Oh, and some salt. That's it, 5 ingredients.
Wait a second.
Put it in the freezer.
I think we're good.
Alright, take it apart and pour it in the bowl.
I'm gonna save that for later. What?
It's the best cookies and cream ever.
Is it?
Good job, honey. Do you want to help with that part?
No.
Okay. Gonna go in the freezer for a few minutes. Good job, honey.
There you go. Yeah, on this. Oh.
That really is the best, huh?
It's really good. You just gotta wash that and put it back in the freezer, right?
I wasn't even like.
You wanted an ice cream maker.
I think on the small scale, I'd be around like here. Hey Jack, want some? Bought some homemade ice cream.
Sure. The beam's just staring at Dad. I meant the beam, the bird.